Namaste, my dear friends. Come and join me for a simple breathwork session to release tension and anxiety in only 5 minutes. It's easy, it works, and anyone can do it. Find a comfortable place, either sitting on a chair or cross-legged, and let us begin. Bring awareness to your spine. Relax the shoulders, the neck, the jaw, and the face. Now with your right hand, take the 2 front fingers to the palm of the hand. Use the thumb and the ring finger to block the nostrils. Block the right nostril. Exhale through the left side. Now inhale through the left side to 3. 1, 2, 3. Block the left side. Exhale through the right for 6. That's it. Inhale to 3. 1, 2, 3. Block the right side. Exhale to 6 on the left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale to 3 on the left side. 2, 3. Exhale to 6 on the right side. Continue to follow the diagram until you get comfortable with the rhythm, and maybe you want to close your eyes. Now focus on the pressure of the air leaving the nostril and coming in. That's it. Exhale in through the right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Finding your rhythm. Now I want you to visualize when you exhale, you release tensions, relax in the body and the mind. And when you inhale, you bring in oxygen into all the cells of the body, energy. Exhale and release tension. And inhale and fill that space with new energy of the present moment, the here and now. Feeling the pressure of the air coming in and out of the nostril. Exhaling, releasing. Inhaling, filling up with new energy. One more minute to go. In these last couple of rounds, try to truly release even at a deeper level. Exhale slow and long, releasing, letting go. Inhaling, bringing new energy into the body. We're coming into our last round. Inhaling slow and consciously. And the last exhalation through the left side, releasing all tensions. Bringing down your right hand, I invite you now to stay still for a couple of minutes to feel yourself. Now on the natural exhalation, allow yourself to become even softer. Try to become really still in the body and the mind. You can focus the mind on the subtle breath at the top of the nostrils, feeling how it comes in and how it comes out. On every natural exhalation, releasing even deeper. Take this last minute for yourself, feeling yourself deeply. If you have felt any release, this is the magic of breath work. This exercise, called alternative nostril breathing, in Sanskrit, Anuloma Viloma or Nadi Shodhana. It balances out both hemispheres of the brain, helping the nervous system to come back into balance. Slowing down the breath helps to slow down the mind. Hope you enjoyed that one. Namaste, my dear friends.